But first, be a dear and answer this question. How did Alaska take the reins for creating a reindeer population that, today, numbers 30,000? These herds stay grounded, unlike their counterparts at the North Pole. But we'll fly back with the answer when we return.
The FDA has approved a new procedure to relieve lower back pain, and doctors worldwide are using decompression for bulging discs and pain from aging.
Surgery or drugs to cover up your pain are options, but our well-documented, non-invasive procedure treats the cause of your pain. Decompression increases spinal disc space and draws nutrients back into the disc. This helps restore normal disc height and function.
Solon Spine, 440-248-5070, SolonBackPain.com.
Log on to DealChicken.com to save 50 to 90% off. Wonderful Northeast Ohio businesses are waiting for you, from restaurants to spas and everything in between.
Way back in 1891, Alaska added reindeer as a state asset, thanks to a gift from the U.S. government. Starting with 16 Siberian reindeer, today the number's 30,000, though only 1,000 reside in the lower 48. Most of Rudolph's mainland relatives are reined in at local zoos.